my name is Amanda Millwood, and I'm the writer and director of After the Festival, my Classes 401 movie at MediaTech. After the Festival is based off of one of the opening chapters of Stephen King's It novel. It tells the story of two gay teenagers that are assaulted by a gang of homophobic teenagers in the haunted town of Derry, Maine. After the Festival was inspired by the book, It. It was one of the first chapters from the book, and, not only was it inspired by the book, but also by my love of Stephen King and the story of It. It was one of the first horror things I ever watched when I was little. I watched the miniseries when I was in 4th grade, and I loved it, and I was scared by it, and I was like, I want to do my own take on this. And so before I even came to MediaTech, I started writing a script based on the After the Festival chapter from the It book, and I was like, this needs to be made, because I felt that was a good enough script that, maybe I could pitch this to my class and they might like it. And they did, and here we are. The filming process was actually very smooth. I had a great cast and crew that were super on board with the script and the whole idea of it. We shot for about 5 weeks, and then we were editing as we were going. And that really helped us, I think, in the long run, making sure that we got everything that we needed. I would suggest for any, future students, edit as you're going. I promise it will help you in the long run. Here's a scene from my movie. If you guys are interested, you can watch the full thing down below.
Did you know then you were being followed?
I couldn't know for sure, but I had a feeling we were being watched.
Watched? And Adrian never suspected anything was wrong?
No, he thought I was overreacting.
And why would he think that?
I don't know.
Well, will you just entertain this for me, please?
All right, fine. I wouldn't want to upset the bridge demon.
Don't be an asshole.
Get him! No! Fucking hold him!
Harry! Call 911! It's okay, son. Go inside and call 911.